Hello, friends. My name is Balram Prasad, and I am working with Microsoft as a senior software engineer. I was going through this this video posted by my friend, where he is talking about leadership principle, and he has talked about few things like earn trust, think big, bias, ownership, customer obsession, learn, and be curious. I will also try to add my perspective and what I also have seen from different companies. So it is a great video. You go ahead and watch this one. I will just add few more topic which I also find from other another sources. So let's go and see that one. So when you go for interview in bigger companies like Google, Microsoft, or Facebook, Netflix, all of this company will observe your leadership style or principle throughout the interview process, or there might be a separate round for that one. And it does not mean that when we talk about leadership principle that it is only for leaders, right, or only for manager. It does not mean. Some of the principle will apply to us also when we are developing any software, any services, any product. That will also apply to us, and that is what I am going to share my experience with you and what I have seen. So let's go in, first try to see that Amazon leadership principle. And for this one, I have listed in here that what they think, but it is better to go in their website and check that one. What is that mean for everything? So you can go and see in that Amazon website itself, where they have listed all these principles. So customer obsession, my friend has talked about that one also, and it is the most important point, that what services, what software, or whatever product you are going to build, it is not about only software IT product. It is everywhere true that what you are trying to build for which customer, how they are going to be beneficial for whatever some system you are building, and how that will be helpful or try to solve which problem for it should be solving some problem, right? So, and what is their need, then we can build that one. You can go backward and then try to build that something out of for them, right? So the another thing, that ownership, it might be possible that in you are owning one component. If you are a software developer, you might be owning a one component and one service, or multiple service depending upon where and how you are working. And you have to be responsible for that component, and that how that component is working end to end, and how what problem they are that component is trying to solve. So that means by ownership. When we also work on that, when we take the ownership of some component on some product or some services, depending upon teams, and then we work like that only. The another principle, that invent and simplify. Yeah, when we talk about invention, you do not have to do bigger invention all the time. You can do simple innovation to automate, streamline any process, or you can find a innovative approach to solve any complex problem, right? So that invention and simplify we work, and we try to find something. As my friend is also talked, you have to be learning and be curious. So you have to learn, because if you are not learning, you might be not knowing the different thing around you in the technological. Or if we are talking about IT, then there might be some new technology which can solve that problem very easily. So you have to know that solution, right? Different type of solution which can be helpful for the certain problem, certain complex problem. So that you have to always keep learning about different technology. It is not about one language, it is not about one technology set, it is about everything. You might be learning some compliance also, some some processes also. So that mindset we have to keep always. And this is that they every company is trying to hire and develop the best talent so that they can deliver faster and with quality, high quality. So that is what how the highest standard come, that you have to build something which is good for consumer, and it is also that following the highest standard, right? So and then you have to think big. You have to take some action, bias for action, that something you have to sometimes take the risk, right? You are building some solution, and it might be that best solution is going to take more time, but average solution is taking less time. So which solution you want to push to consumer right now? So or whatever product we are building, so we take some time calculated risk and saying that, hey, right now, because speed matters for delivery in business, and we can solve this problem by taking the average approach in some days. Let's do that one, and then update the solution or enhance that solution for best fit in some time. So that is what that means, that you have sometime we have to take that calculated risk. You have to earn trust for everyone inside your team also. You have to earn the trust for your colleague, your team members who you are working. If you earn the trust, then they will be able to understand you more, and you have to have this good discussion around the team members for what solution you are thinking for a particular problem, and what solution they are thinking, and what is the best solution. So then you can compare this solution with different perspective. You can sit with team or leaders and be innovative for that one. And then the main thing is that you have to deliver the result. So that is always there, that delivering result is important. So these are the few things I wanted to talk about with my perspective, what I have seen. The another that I have also find that another video for Google and that YouTube, you can go and watch that one. They are mostly focusing on few things. So whatever I got from that video, that the principles are that create product for everyone, create anything for everyone, design for everyone, code for everyone, build for everyone. If you see any example from Google product, I Google search, it is built for everyone, right? Google Gmail, it is built for everyone, designed for everyone. So it always keep in these four pillars in the mind, that what you are going to do. And rest of everything is that on that one, that when you go for any interview, you will be evaluating based on your communication and leadership style. You have to demonstrate that how you are handling the complex problem, and if there is ambiguity, how you are going to remove that ambiguity or solve that one, and how you can work with team members. As I told, that there are teams which is now from different geography, right? Different perspective people, different mindset. So how you are going to work with them, how you can share your thoughts around to different team members, how you can take their input, how you listen their thoughts or their solution, and then discuss holistically with team and commit on that one. So how you are going to do that one, and vision and delivery result is always made for any company. So whenever we design or anyone designs software, who are the user and what you are trying to solve, that is the most important point we keep into mind. And that is why that customer obsession, that is where it is coming. So few things that always that remain adaptable, that you can adapt any team thought, and you can offer the space for creativity by other people also. You have to follow the best practices, explain and clarify, improve. This is that when we design also software or any services or any design, architecture design, we explain that why we have taken or chosen few component, and then we go into presenting mode with some leaders, different team members, different teams, or maybe architecture review board, any other thing, and then we clarify whatever we our thoughts are there, and we ask for feedback, and there will be a healthy discussion where you will get to know more about if you can use the different component or different technology or different way to solve the same problem with, and then you can use that suggestion and use these feedbacks to improve your solution whatever you are trying to build. So this is the main thing I wanted also to share with you. I hope this is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this one. Thank you very much.